Productive 4.0 is an ambitious holistic innovation project meant to open the doors to the potentials of digital industry. The manufacturing industry is a strong asset of the European economy, accounting for 2 million enterprises and 33 million jobs. Europe's competitiveness is highly dependent on the ability of this sector to deliver high-quality, innovative products using the latest advances in ICT. Within Productive 4.0, a clear use case of digital manufacturing has been set up involving different manufacturing sites all over Europe, working together on the production of industrial components. The Arrowhead platform provides multiple interoperability services, allowing a European rollout in a transparent way. Let's have a deeper look at the different facilities to see how production data is integrated. This manufacturing site in the north of Spain is characterized by multiple machines, and all process data is read by the Arrowhead platform via the OPC UA connectivity. Temperature, pressure, and other environmental information is captured with IIoT sensors. All data is read directly from the central services in Germany, and the values are stored in a centralized process database in the operations headquarters in Hungary. This process information is shown at the manufacturing site via a web-based process dashboard. The produced components are then sent to the assembly line in Stuttgart, Germany, where first a quality control is realized in a laboratory. The WAGO PLC starts the quality control process after receiving the product tolerances from central services in Munich. These tolerances are sent via the OPC UA and the Modbus TCP client on the Arrowhead platform. During the process, the measured quality data is also sent to the operations headquarters in Hungary. And after finishing quality control, the final quality status is sent back to central services. Another manufacturing site in Sweden produces customized parts based on customer order information received from central services. It is an assembly line that uses a Siemens PLC with an integrated OPC UA server. The Arrowhead OPC UA connector passes orders to the line and records all control signals to store them with the data manager at the operations headquarters in Hungary. For real-time operation monitoring purposes, a 3D digital twin of the line is implemented. Process data sent from distributed sources to the operations headquarters is stored and shown on a management dashboard dynamically in real time, so that production engineers and operations management are provided with correct data for on-the-fly decision-making. Central services play an important role in connectivity, security, and reliability. The Arrowhead architecture, based on services, configuration, and scalability, allows an easy deployment at European level, fully integrated with other existing business applications. The Arrowhead platform, as used in Productive 4.0, enabled the different manufacturing sites to take an important step forward in digital manufacturing and to maintain a leadership position in Europe. Productive 4.0, opening the gates to the digital future.